Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon, Alibaba, and Temu. So if you need any product, just visit these platforms. So let's see the tools we've got in this video. We've got this plastic organizer you can use for your stuff, and we've got this folding broom. This is a small plastic washing machine. It's really convenient. You can use it anywhere at home. You can also dry your clothes using this amazing plastic washing machine. We've got these items. This is a sponge or products you can use for cleaning your sneakers. This is a small plastic trash bin, and we've got this plastic organizer or a box where you can put your stuff like remote controllers. We've got these items. This is a folding square mop you can use for mopping the floor. This is a door mat for a carpet. This is a small plastic shelf you can use for your stuff in the kitchen. This is a small folding maker. We've got this mop again you can use for mopping the floor. It's a square mop. It's really convenient. It makes the task easier and fast. We've got this tool you can use for compressing these plastic bags. This is a tool you can use for insects. We've got this plastic organizer or shelf you can use for sandals. We've got this cooker you can use for cooking food. This is another folding shelf or organizer you can use for sandals. This is a tool you can use for compressing plastic bags for saving space. We've got these items, and this is a clip you can use for a clipper you can use for, let's see what's in this box. This is a mirror. We've got this tool you can use for exercising, and this is a cleaner you can use for carpets. This is a mobile phone holder. We've got this tool again you can use for compressing these plastic bags. We've got this tool you can use for cutlery and other kitchen stuff. This is a plastic holder you can use for eggs. This is another cooker. We've got this blender you can use for making juice. This is another box where you can put tissues or toilet paper. We've got this dispenser you can use for liquid soap. This is a tool you can use for your toilet. We've got this organizer you can use for your umbrellas. We've got this plastic box where you can put your masks. This is another one you can use for toilet paper. We've got this hook you can use for pairs of socks. You can also use it for other articles. We've got this tool you can use for covering food. This is a small iron. This is another clip. Let's see what this girl is gonna do in the tool she's using in her beautiful apartment. She's a smart girl. She's doing, or maybe helping her mom doing the housework. She's washing her hands. We've got these items you can use for sandals in your bathroom. This is another tool you can use for defrosting food. She's gonna make orange juice using this blender or juicer. She's gonna make rice using this electric device or a cooker. We've got this small washing machine again. You can use it anywhere at home. It's really convenient. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. We've got this big box where you can put your toys. This is an electric cleaner you can use for your bed. It's really amazing. She's drinking her juice. This is a small printer you can use at home. We've got these tissues you can use for wiping windows and mirrors. She's gonna do the laundry using this smart washing machine. We've got this tool you can use for cleaning windows. She's cleaning the toilet using this spray. We've got these hooks you can use for your laundry. She's still doing the laundry. We've got a small brush you can use for cleaning the corners, like window corners, and we've got this brush again you can use for brushing of your sheets and blankets. This is an electric cleaner you can use for your windows again. This is a spray you can use for cleaning buckets. You can also use it for the corners, your window corners. It's really cool. So that's all we have in this video.